Hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are sharing a lot of ideas to handmade Christmas tree decoration. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is totally helpful for you, useful for you because we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas tree decoration. So how you can decor your Christmas tree at home and easy decoration ideas. So here are a lot of ideas. For example, if you want to have some kind of paper, you can add paper and roll it and make a Christmas tree. That will be super exciting. You can add such kind of balls in this. Otherwise, you can also add some kind of pearls. And if you have a cardboard, then you can also use cardboard and add some kind of glitters, green glitters and some kind of little leaves. That will be super exciting, and this kind of decoration look also amazing. You can also use ice cream sticks, and by using ice cream stick you can make such kind of decoration. Here are some kind of tutorials that will be easy for you, and a lot of ideas if you want and make a Christmas tree in golden and green color. That will be super exciting, and even you can add such kind of snowmans also looks amazing. Snowmans give a very elegant and very incredible look to your Christmas tree. You can add such kind of stars. You can add a kind of fairy lights. That will be super amazing. And guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even if you want to download this video, so you can also download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end and select the idea that you like the most. And guys, we share a lot of stuff related to Christmas, such as Christmas party makeup ideas, otherwise Christmas home decoration ideas, Christmas school decoration, Christmas classroom decoration, Christmas handmade cards, Christmas gifting ideas for kids. So a lot of stuff. So you can visit our channel for such kind of videos. And guys, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, stay connected.